My name is Robin Lennox. I'm the MPP for Hamilton Centre and a family physician. And I'm here today because every day there are people standing at pharmacy counters across Ontario holding a prescription from their doctor and wondering whether or not they'll be able to fill it. Having to do a mental calculation about whether or not they'll be able to afford the necessary medication they need to manage their diabetes and have enough money to feed themselves at the end of the day. This isn't hyperbole. This is the reality for far too many people across Ontario who lack prescription drug coverage. That's why today I'm honoured to join Canadian Doctors for Medicare and my MPP colleagues to call on our provincial government to urgently sign a bilateral agreement with the federal government to deliver free contraception and diabetes medications to Ontarians now. 4 other provinces have already signed and are benefiting from expanded access to Pharmacare. It's been over a year since the Federal Pharmacare Act passed, and we can't afford to wait any longer in Ontario. Because if we choose not to pay for the medications Ontarians need at the pharmacy, we will continue to pay for it in our emergency departments and in our hospitals. We can't afford to allow our health system to be further strained, and we can't afford to let Ontarians become ill and suffer health complications when we could prevent it by providing access to the medications that they need. We hear again and again that Ontarians will only pay for their healthcare with their OHIP card, never their credit card. But somehow that promise continues to fall flat in the time it takes to walk a prescription from the doctor's office to the pharmacy. This is unacceptable. There have already been far too many broken promises when it comes to delivering healthcare in this province. But today we are calling on the Premier and the Minister of Health to show up for Ontarians who are struggling, to show up for our healthcare system, which is strained, and to sign on to the federal Pharmacare deal now. Thank you.